Do you feel tired and sleepy even after waking up? Do you crave to feel energetic in the morning? If yes, then adding yoga to your routine will prepare your body and mind for the day ahead. A short series of yoga stretches and poses with mindful deep breaths can keep your body loose, help you release stress and tension, energize your body and calm your mind. Hi guys, today in Yoga for the Soul, we will talk about 3 poses that are splendid to start your day with. Coming on to the first pose, which is dancer pose or natarajasana. Begin in Tadasana or mountain pose. Press firmly and evenly through your feet and take a point on eye level to focus on. Exhale, bend your left knee, bringing your left hand to the buttock and hold the outside of your left foot with the left hand. You can lift your right arm up in front of you, parallel to the floor or a little higher next to the ear. Firm the right hip in and engage your right thigh and knee to make the standing leg strong. Keep the torso upright, the chest open and lengthen your tailbone down. As you inhale, push the left foot back into the hand, raising the leg so the thigh bone ends up parallel to the floor and the lower leg is in a right angle with the thigh bone and vertical with the floor. Stay for 5 to 10 breaths. To come out of the pose, release the leg as you exhale. Repeat on the other side. Dancer is a great pose and has many benefits such as it strengthens the feet, ankles, legs, core, back and arms. It opens the front of the body, the chest, abdomen, hip flexors and the shoulders. It also improves balance and concentration. Vasishthasana or the side plank pose. From down dog pose, shift your weight slightly forward so your shoulders are almost stacked above your wrists. Roll your heels to the left. Shift your weight into your left hand and the outer edge of your left foot. Turn your gaze down as you stack your right foot on top of your left in side plank pose. Fire up your thigh muscles and press your feet and left hand down as you lift your hips. Bring your left hand to your hip or extend it towards the ceiling. Breathe. Either return to downward facing dog or proceed to wild thing. The last pose is the fish pose or Matsyasana. Lie with your back on the mat. Slightly lift your hips and slide your hands below and rest your hips on your hands. Now, press your forearms and elbows against the floor to lift your upper torso and head. Your knees can be slightly bent or extend your legs ahead as per your comfort. Press your head towards your back, placing the crown of the head on the floor. There should be no strain on the neck. You may choose to use a block or cushion under your head for support. Keep this position for 20 to 30 seconds and maintain smooth breathing. Some benefits of doing the fish pose or Matsyasana. This pose is beneficial for maintaining healthy skin as it impacts the thyroid and pituitary glands. Do you practice any yoga pose in the morning to energize your body and mind? If not, then you can start with these simple asanas and feel refreshed throughout the day. These fun poses will help you boost up your energy levels. Before we sign off, let me take you through a quick recap. Natarajasana, Vasishthasana and Matsyasana are some of the great yoga poses to feel energized every day. Make sure to consult a medical practitioner before trying this at home to know what is right for you and keep watching this space for more such content.